Yeah, good evening, guys. Welcome to the session. So let's wait for another few minutes. Let everyone join the session, then we'll start. Yeah. Good evening, guys. Welcome to the session. So, if you have any doubts regarding your project, you can ask me here. Okay. Yeah. Good evening. Good evening, Kumar. Good evening. Good evening, Nandalal Yadav. So, how many of you completed the project? Just tell me how many of you completed the project. You can just raise your hands. Those who completed, raise your hands. Okay. Yeah, Akshay mentioned that how to get about. So, so the resources, code, everything, the instructions, all everything is with the project, right? So you have to read the instructions and you have to start working on the project. Okay. I think you are aware of the resources in the portal, right? With your project, just my in the skill wallet with your guided project, there will be resources, the code, instruction, documentation, everything. You have to refer that, read that, and you have to complete the project by those instructions, right? Everything will be provided from the code to the execution steps. Everything will be in detailed documented there, right? You have to read it thoroughly, follow the instruction, and you should complete the project. Okay. So yeah, Aditya, I think these projects are individual projects, I think, right? If you can you see any former team option there? If you can't see any team option there, that means the project is should be completed individually. Okay, you individually enrolled into your project, enroll with your project, and start working on it. Okay, is it clear, Aditya? In the README file, like you can just describe of the project. Okay, just description of the project. The file itself can be completely should we should keep the complete intention of the project there. Okay, by reading the readme file we can understand, can able to understand about the project, right? No problem, Shivam. You can first upload the GitHub link. Okay. Okay. When you push your files into GitHub, obviously the GitHub files will be updated. So better you first create a repository and just paste, just drop the link in the GitHub section, and you can start working on your project. Later on, you can push those files into your GitHub. Okay. Clear, Shivam? Yeah, Akshay, are you there? Yeah, Chandana. Sorry. Okay, Chandradeep. I already informed my team regarding this issue that the reference images are not updating. So I already informed them. They told that they will be fixing that. So can you tell me like which section the image is missing? Which reference image do you want? And can you help me with the project title also? Yeah, Akshay, are you there? There in the session? Okay. I'll. Yeah, Akshay, like as you asked, I try to like explain the things now. Okay. Can you respond here? I will start. Okay. Yeah. For everyone, I'm telling once again, like I'll be showing a quick overview. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, guys, give me a moment. Okay, guys, let me share my screen. Okay. Uh, okay, guys, just tell me, can you able to see my screen? Can I get a quick response or reactions? Okay. Thank you, guys. So, so like this, you have to make the files, right? One is like your notebook. So this is a machine learning project called as lead conversion, which will be predicting the leads based on the uh, historical data of a website. Okay, so for this, like anyway, you will be executing the code in the Colab notebook, right? So this is your code. Yeah, see. So this is how you have to start your project. Take a notebook, blank notebook, Colab notebook. Okay, you have to execute the code, which means you have to import the libraries, you have to import the data set, right? After that, you have to clean the data set. Okay, just check the data set, understand the data set. Okay, so some okay, some data cleaning work. Okay, removing the null values, missing values. Okay, so this is the entire code of data cleaning and data pre-processing, right? After that, you will be making some data analysis, right? Explore data analysis. See, okay, this is the entire code. Okay, okay, this is some are the visualizations. Okay, right, feature extraction. Okay, so you have to follow the steps. Okay, the steps required in order to complete your project. Okay, different projects have different approaches, different techniques. Okay, based on your instructions, try to complete it. If you have a your own approach, you can go with that, but you have to make sure that data should be cleaned and neatly processed, right? Yeah, here you can see the 10 test partition. Okay, 10 data, test data, right? Here you can see the model building. We are using different models here: logistic regression, okay, KNN, decision tree. So this is how anyway you will be running the code, right? So this is how you will be training an entire model. Okay, you will be selecting the best model here, the model which gives the best accuracy. You will be selecting that and you will be downloading it here, right? You can see here, import joblet, dump the model. Okay, so after running this, if you tab on this, you can see here your model, right? Complete your model, the model which you have just pickle here. You can download it from here. If you download it, click on the three dots here. You'll be seeing your model here. Click on the three dots and click on download the model. Okay, if you click on download the model, you will be downloading like gbmodel.lib. So this is the model, machine learning model, which we have trained in the previous code in the Colab notebook. We have trained this model. We selected the one of the best accuracy model, the model which is giving the best accuracy. I just downloaded it. Okay, so this is the model, right? Take that model. What you have to do is create a file called as Flask. Okay, in this Flask, or you can name it as any file. Okay, in this Flask. So this is the project structure. One, I'll show you, wait. So this is the project structure. Okay, guys, can you, are you getting what I'm saying? Can you see the screen? Yeah, okay, okay. So as I told, just run the code in the Collab notebook. Okay. Has they said in the technical training sessions, you got that you learned how to train a model from the scratch, how to import the data set, importing the models, data set, cleaning the data set, pre-processing the data set completely, right? After doing some exploratory data analysis using different techniques, after that you will be training the data into train and test. Okay, then you will be uh, taking the important features and you'll be training a model on that, right? After that, what you'll be doing, you'll be selecting the best accuracy model, right? Like here, and you will be downloading the model into your local system. Okay, take that file, keep it in a place. Now what you'll do, you'll create a Flask file. Okay, this is a Flask file. Create a new folder. Okay, create a new folder. In this, first one is like static. Okay, next templates. So these are all like index.html, predict.html, result.html. So these are the HTML pages of your app. Okay. So next the app.py. Okay. Next to is, so this is a folder inside HTML files. So these HTML files will go into the templates. Okay. Folder called as templates. Okay. In this static files, the assets will be there like images, okay, css, fonts, logos, etc. So these files goes into static, right? After that, one app.py file. This app.py file is a like complete integration of your model. Okay, complete python script. See here, you can see. So this is this app.py, we are deploying our model through Flask. Okay, with the Flask backend, we are using HTML for front end and Flask for backend. Okay, see, import OS, joblib, pandas, import Flask, right? So this is a Flask, this is a backend we are using for the model. Okay, see. So next, after writing the script, we have to place the model within these files. Okay, next to this app.py file, you have to place this gbmodel.joblib. Okay, this is the machine learning model, our machine learning model. We'll be placing it here and we'll be integrating through the app.py, right? After this is the requirement file. As you know, just a requirement file, the compatible libraries of our app. Okay, so this is model. You can't see this model here. Okay, so this is app.py. We'll be integrating this model here. See here, you can see rf model. Okay, rf underscore model, joblib.load model if os path exists. Okay, this is the model path. Okay, this is the model path. In this model path variable, we will be defining our gb underscore model dot joblib. So this is our model. Okay, we are defining here and we are calling it here. Okay, so this is how we are integrating this machine learning model in the app.py script. Okay, if we run this entire app.py script, only this app.py script, entire app will be executing. Okay, first you have to write the, we have to execute the code. Okay, train the model, download the model into the local. Okay, place that model in the these Flask files. Okay, in this Flask file, statics, templates, app.py, requirement.txt, and this model. Okay, so that is the Collab notebook. This is a Flask file. So these are the final deliverables, right? These are the project files. Okay, is it clear? Till now, is it clear, guys? Okay, guys. Just give me a confirmation. Like Akshay, you told that we taught backend and use Flask in the class lectures. I think you have to use Flask. You have to create a HTML pages for the front end, and you have to make the backend also. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. No problem, Akshay. You can just refer to the previous sessions. Okay. No problem. Okay. So this is how you have to make. This is how you have to make this model. You have to download it here local. If you click on this file option, you can see the model there. Okay. Click on the three dots, download to the local, take that model, just dump in this Flask file. Okay. Till now you got it, right? Now we'll be executing this project. Okay. First thing what we have to do is, yeah, click here, right? Terminal, open your terminal. Okay. So everything is ready. Okay. You're ready with your templates, right? Your app.py scripting, and it is this is your model. This is the requirement file. Firstly, what we have to do is we have to run this file with the help of the terminal. So before running the file, we have to create a virtual environment in order to uh, download the particular libraries of this project. Okay, because our system may be containing of different libraries, so in order to avoid that library conflict, we will be creating a separate isolated place for this project. Okay, this lead conversion project or this specific project will be creating a separate isolated place, that is a virtual environment. So in that virtual environment we will be downloading our required files, our required libraries, right? So with that, within the virtual environment, we will be running the entire project. Okay. In order to avoid the collision between different libraries and models. Okay. So now we have to create a virtual environment. So the command is python -m v e n v. So, look guys, look here, carefully look here, because you have to explain your project like this. Okay, like this you have to explain the project, you have to screen record the entire project, and you have to give a explanation voiceover, right? And you have to make a video on that is project demonstration video, right? You have to upload it in your drive and you have to share with the smart tutor. So this is how you want you are allowed to explain. Okay, no need of showing your faces, just a voiceover with your voice explanation is fine, right? So python -m venv venv venv, press enter. Okay, now you can see we notice the environment has been created. Do you want to select yes, right? So here you can see a virtual environment is created, right? You can see subfolders like library scripts. Okay, this is important, guys. OneDrive, desktop, lead conversion. So inside this lead conversion, we are creating a virtual environment here, right? Okay. So Amit Kumar, as you can see here, so yeah, this will be the structure of every projects. Okay, this will be the structure for the machine learning projects. This will be the structure. For first one, let's see. Okay, everyone carefully listen. So this is your like project file. Okay, this is a lead conversion project. That's why I named it as lead conversion. In this lead conversion, firstly templates. Okay, static. Okay, just ignore this VNV. You have to create it while executing the project, so ignore it. So first thing, templates. Next, in the templates, the subfolders will be in index.html files. Okay, index file, prediction file, and result HTML file. So these goes into the template. Okay, down to the template directly static. Okay, in the static the assets of the project like fonts, images will be stored. Okay, so next down to it direct app.py, right? After the app.py, your machine learning model here which you downloaded into the locally, okay, this model after requirement file. So this is the project structure. Okay, take a screenshot. Okay, so if you guys facing the issue regarding this, you don't know the project structure, images are missing, you can refer from here. Okay, Amit Kumar, okay, did you get it, the project structure? Yeah, so as we can see here, the environment is created. Now after that we have to activate this environment. Okay, once it is created, not like we will working on the project in this directory, we have to enter into this virtual environment. Okay, okay, we will enter into that environment and we will be activating that. For that, click inside this lead conversion. Okay, we have to redirect to venv, right? So click venv. Okay, inside this venv we'll go to scripts. Okay, we'll go to venv scripts. Okay, next activate. Okay, just so here you can see now we entered into our environment. Okay, venv, as you can see here, this is our virtual environment. Okay, 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 Vinay, you are asking show me this requirement.txt. Sure, this section will be uploaded on the comment. Yeah, it will be uploaded. Sorry, in my upload it is not. Okay, 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 Bhumika will see that. Okay, no need to worry. Do we need to download the dataset by ourselves? No, the dataset is already provided in the portal, right? Within the resources, everything, the dataset link will be provided to you. Just check thoroughly and download the dataset from there. Okay, 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 Jay. Yeah, let's move further. So we entered into a virtual environment, right? So it's activated. Our virtual environment is already activated. Now, see, this is the requirement.txt file, right? But first one is Flask Joblib for downloading the model and integrating it to the backend. Okay, Pandas, NumPy. Okay, okay, Execute, scikit-learn. So these are our supported files or supported libraries or supported modules. Okay, in order to run our project. If these files are missing, like you can't run the project. It will show like install Flask, right? Install Joblib. So this is how. So in order to install it, we have to write like pip install Flask, pip install Joblib. So what we'll do, like we will be placing the entire files in one file, that is requirement.txt. We'll be downloading only this one file. Okay, so that all files will be downloaded. So now after activating the virtual environment, we'll be downloading this requirement.txt file. See pip install fanar requirements.txt. Okay, requirements.txt, just press enter. Now you can see each and every file, every model, every supportable model will be downloaded in our environment. Okay, in this environment our complete compactable files will be downloaded here. Okay, as you can see, I think it will take a little much time. We'll wait for it. Okay. So this is how you have to create a virtual environment within your read conversion or your project. Okay. You have to create this virtual environment. What is the command for creating the virtual environment? Just Python -m venv, right? If you click enter, the environment is created next to the app.py or anywhere. Okay. So in this venv, just redirect to venv scripts and just activate and just press enter. So this is the command for activating your virtual environment. Okay. You can follow these for every project. Okay. This is the best thing you can do because maintaining a separate virtual environment for each project, very clean and best approach in order to avoid the conflicts between the models and libraries. Okay. Yeah. Okay. New version is released. Okay, no problem. I think the libraries have been downloaded. Okay. So now we'll be executing this project. How we'll be executing this entire project? Already we have integrated this model with our app.py, right? So entire files are scripted with the Python in this app.py. So what we have to do, we have to just run this app.py. That's it. So everything will be executed. So just run Python app.py. Just press enter. See. So the project is deployed locally. Okay. With the using of the Flask. Okay. Okay. With the Flask backend, we have deployed successfully. Now we have to open this up. So it's, you can see here running on HTTP link, which is running locally. Just click on hover on this link, follow link. That's it. Our app has been deployed locally. Okay. Right. Guys, can you see? Can you see the app? We have deployed. We have deployed the app locally. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So we need. Okay. Yeah, Akshay, sorry for that. I already informed my team, my operations team regarding that, all the issues regarding the every project. Okay. So what you can do is you can just go through this session. I'm explaining the everything, the project structure. Okay. Yeah, Akshay. The recordings will be definitely uploaded. Okay. So Akash, you can refer to this session. Okay. I'm explaining you everything. See, try to complete these steps, missing steps also with by own. Okay. That's how you can learn deploying the project and executing the project. Right. You can build any machine learning model from the scratch. Okay. So try to complete it by own. Okay. Anyway, I'll be informing this regarding this issue to my team. Okay, we'll be fixing that. Actually, the issue is with cloud. Anyway, we uploaded the images, then also it is not showing for the students. Okay, we don't know why it's happening. We are working on that. Definitely, we'll fix that. Okay. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So our app is running successfully. See, model is loaded. Okay. Which model? GB model dot joblib. This is a model which I choose to train the data. Okay. Yeah, you can see here successfully done. So finally you will be this is your front end. Actually, this is my project I worked on. So this is a edutech lead conversion predictor. What it will do, it will taking a new lead, it will be predicting the lead will be converted into the customer or not, or subscriber or not, right? So based on which data? The historical data of the previous customers in the website. Okay, on the previous customers data will be trained. I have trained this model. Okay, I have trained this model. So based on that previous data, if I ask a new customer data, it will be telling whether he will be he will be converted into customer or not. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, so these are the columns. Like these are the features. Indirectly, these are the features which I trained on. Like I trained on like total time on the website, total time spent on the website, tags, the quality of the lead, last notable activity, and lead origin. So based on, so these features are majorly contributing, majorly influencing my customer prediction and my data. So these are majorly contributing to my data. So what I did, I trained the model with this data. Like you can say it like by the feature selection, I have removed this from the data set and I have trained on this data. Okay, I have trained the machine on these features only because these are heavily contributing to my data, right? So I took this feature, I trained my model features. Now, because I trained the model with these features, I have to enter the new data point with these features only, right? So I'll tell like total time spent, okay, tax 19 tax, lead quality, let's say okay, last notable activity, lead origin 7, lead quality 3. Okay, so these are my features I trained on. Okay, just predict, will say prediction result, lead converted. Okay, so the chances of these new user will be converted. Okay, back to home, make another prediction, or you can just back to home. Okay, so this is about simple my machine learning project, right? So this is how you can execute the project with the Flask. You can deploy locally. Okay, after it deployed locally, you can open it with the link here. Directly you will be redirected to your website, right? Is it okay, guys? Clear? Actually, you're asking for submission. Yeah, I'll tell. Can I get a quick response, guys? Can anyone hit a thumbs up button, thumbs up reaction or anything? Okay, thank you. So this is how you have to complete the project, right? So now we have seen that we completed the notebook implementation. Okay, we downloaded the model locally. Okay, after that we place that machine learning model in our Flask file. So this is the structure of the Flask. Okay, so here is a model. We integrated with the app.py with the Flask backend. Just after that, we open the terminal. Okay, create a virtual environment, install this requirement.txt in the environment. Okay, after that, activate the environment, download the requirement files in those environment. Okay, and just run this app.py. So these steps, these commands and everything will be already documented in your resources, right? Just go to the resources, follow the resources. Okay, you will be seeing the each and every command there. Okay, no need to worry about the commands now. Okay, so you will be seeing the commands there. Just okay, after that, coming to the submission. Yeah, guys, you're asking about submission, right? So these files which you are seeing here, the Flask files, okay, Flask files, every files, everything, okay. What you have to do, like go to your GitHub. You can see here, like this is your GitHub, right? So this is your GitHub. So here, these are called repositories. Okay, you can see here, collaborative cancer prediction project. Okay, covers Fitchfield, Studbird, Bookbazaar. So these are repositories. What you have to do is go to the repositories. Okay, new repository. Click here. Right, guys. Are you people following me? Are you listening? Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Fine. So where are we? Yeah, I'll come once again. See, go to your profile, click here. You create a GitHub account first. Go to home. Okay, click on here. Your profile. Done. This is your profile. This is your history of the repositories issues. Go to the repositories. Okay, you can see here 8 repositories of mine. Okay, if any repositories you have created, it will be shown here. No repositories, you can see create a one. Okay, just click on new repository. Here, repository name, you can place it like the, see, tutor match. It's already taken because I already created a repository on this name. So here you will be placing your project name. Okay, your project name, project description, make it public, not private. Okay, make it public. Okay, if you want to add a readme file, you can add a readme file here. After that, create a repository here. Okay, if you create a repository, the repository will be created like this, right? So after that, okay, I'll show you. Okay, don't worry, I'll show you. I'll create a dummy repository, don't worry. New repository, let name is at example, right? Project description, anything, right? Make it public and readme file, just create a repository. Okay, so now the repository is created. You can see Sai Kiran Golconda, right? Example repository name. So here you can see your repository name. What you have to do is just go to add files, right? Upload files. Okay, so here what you have to do is you have to upload this VS Code Flask files and notebook files. Every deliverables you have to submit, you have to upload it here. Okay, okay, just go to choose files, right? What I'll do, I'll click this Flask. Oh no, okay, we'll see. Okay, see, one file is been uploading. Okay, choose another file. I'll go to desktop and here. See, okay, conversion. See, these are all the project files, right? Open, or you can directly drag these entire files here. Okay, uploading the files, right? So this is how you have to upload the every files here. Okay, every deliverable files you have to upload it here. And what you have to do, you just after uploading, you just commit the change here. Okay, right? See, so now in this example repository, there are some file, okay, which are my files, readme file, app.py file, class, model. So this is how you have to upload here. Okay, firstly make a clear folder, okay, on the desktop, wherever, create a new folder in your project name. Okay, place your subfolders there neatly inside the subfolders, in that the folders, right? Flask files, every files you organize it cleanly, and you directly push the entire files here. Okay. After that, yes, is it clear? Did you got how to create a new repository and add files in the GitHub? Okay, okay, okay. So next, what you have to do is, after that, if you are, in order to add any file, just add the file, just add it. That's it. Okay, this is how you can update your repository. Now, take the code here. Okay, click on the code. You'll be seeing the link. Okay, project this repository link. Copy the repository link here. Okay, just okay inside your profile. Okay, see your repositories here. Click on the repositories you created, right? Here example. Okay, just now I created. Click on this repository. Okay, go to the code option here. Click on that. You can see these links, right? Copy this HTTPS link. Just copy that. Now, what you have to do? These code, sorry, these link you have to paste in your portal. Okay, if you go to the portal under the skill wallet guided project and your project, so you will be seeing the workspace option there, right? In the workspace, like you will be seeing these can you see these three things? Okay, GitHub, documentation, video demo. What you have to do, you have to go to this GitHub, click on it, paste the link, just submit. Documentation, click on, paste the link, submit. Demo link here. Okay, so this is how I can see your project here. Okay, okay guys, take this link, copy it, paste it in your GitHub. So I want the three sections to be filled. One is GitHub, documentation, demo link, same as a demo link. What you have to do, upload your demo link to your drive, make it public, right? Take that demo link, just copy to the portal. Okay, so this is how you can do, right guys? So next, so that's it, that's how you have to submit. Okay, yeah, yeah, Om, you have to upload the static file too. Entire the files contained in the Flask folder, you have to complete, like you have to enter all the files into GitHub. You have to pull every file into GitHub because we'll be running it locally here. Okay. After successfully executing the project, after we confirm it, we'll be giving the marks, right? So this is the project of, this is the process of submitting your deliverable files. Okay. Any doubts, any questions? Deadline is like end of this month. Okay, Amit Kumar, definitely. Okay, yeah, Vinay Kumar and everyone, I'm saying, like, first you create a repository. Okay, just you create a repository here, just copy the link and just paste it in the portal. That's it. After, if you make any edits here, if you add a file, delete a file, the changes will be uploaded to cloud, the changes will be happening, so nothing to worry, right? First you upload the link. Okay, so this is how I'll be evaluating your project. Like I will click on this link so that I can redirect to your project here. Okay. Like if I click on the demo link, I can see your demo link, right? If it nice, if it is very good, if you upload it to YouTube and you give the link, it's very better and chances of getting good marks. Okay. Uh, okay. Yeah, Yadav. Like if any in case your project deadline is like colliding with your exam date, our team will be contacting with your faculty. We will be communicating with them and we will be extending the deadline. Okay, if in case if the dates are colliding, we will be extending the deadline. Okay, nothing to worry about that, right? But everyone try to complete the every recommended course or given courses, self-based courses, try to complete it within the deadline and start working on the project, complete it within the deadline. Okay, I have just showed you how to complete these all things, right? How to run the, like how to run the collab notebook to how to download the model locally, integrating with your Flask files, everything. What files have just shown here will be like provided with you in the resources, right? So you can read the instruction and we can directly start working on the project. Okay. I think normal sessions only. So one thing I need to clear that I have to clear Akshay. So these every sessions is going on, which are these are project mentoring session. So this will be mostly for 1 hour. Okay, today I wanted to take 2 hours because I want to explain you the things, but mostly it will be 1 hour. Okay, in that if you have any doubts like this you can ask me here. So it's completely project mentoring session. Okay, I'm the mentor here. I'll be answering you every doubt. So this AMA session will be mostly conducted on Saturdays. Okay, 1 hour of AMA session. So nothing to worry, like both are like same, right? In the AMA session you will be asking questions, in this you will be asking questions, right? So same. So every day the mentoring sessions will be going on for 1 hour, where I mentor will helping you regarding your project execution and everything, right? So you are asking about I should attend daily or not. If you have any doubt regarding your project, if you're facing a issue, you can ask me here, or else no need to attend. Okay. You're asking how to create the documents to be uploaded. I didn't got your question, Akash. Okay, document section, right? Okay, okay, just that is the question. Are you asking? That's the question you are asking, Akash. Documentation thing. So you have to go to the documentation session. You have to copy paste the entire document there. Okay, that's how you can upload the document there. Yeah, Akshay, definitely. I'll be informing them. We'll be resolving that soon. Okay. Yeah, Harshita, we'll be updating you regarding the certificate. Okay, once the all the evaluations is done, okay, we'll be allocating you certificates. Okay, please wait.
Good evening, everyone. Okay, so one last thing, I just need to inform this to you people. Just give me a minute. And also, in the meantime, please just confirm me that how many of you have completed this IBM self-paced course? Just confirm me, okay? In the chat, you can let me know. How many of you have completed the IBM self-paced course? Not yet. Okay, fine. Okay, okay. I see only still on towards mission long course. Okay, IBM course is done. Okay. Only 2 people have completed, and few others are still working on it. Fine. So the thing is, once you're done with the IBM course, you need to update that certification link. Okay, there is a Google form available. I'll be sharing that link also. Yeah, please let me know, Akash. Once you complete that, let me know. So in the Telegram group, I'll be sharing a link where after completing that self-paced course, you need to update the Google form. Okay, you'll be having a Credly. You need to create your Credly account, and you need to copy the certification link from the Credly account, and you need to paste it in the Google form. Okay. If anyone is done with the certificate, I mean, if anyone is done with IBM course, you can share your screen. I can explain you like how exactly you can get that Credly link. If people are aware of it, it's totally good. Okay, still working on it. Wait. Okay, so Akash, IBM self-paced course you're having, right? Yes, Bhumika, skill-based course of IBM. Okay, if you open the same web page, okay, if you open that same page, where you are enrolling and completing all the modules. On the same exact page, if you just scroll down above that particular course, you'll be finding Credly, 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 okay? Credly certification or Credly link. You'll be able to see an option over there on the same web page. Yeah. So what you need to do is, yeah. So click on that. It will be navigating to a different web page. A new tab will be open. A new tab will be open, and you'll be able to find over there like create a Credly account or sign in. So just create that account, create a Credly account. So whatever the global certifications that you're doing, every certification will be over there in that Credly. Okay, it will be helpful for you. Even if you're doing any cloud associate certification later in your future also, you can see over there. Okay, got it, everyone? Akash, if you are okay to share your screen, I will just show you. Okay, I'll just give you access. Wait, so that everyone will be able to see. Or else, let me just show to everyone. Can anyone just share me the IBM course link? Let me see if I can have. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Just everyone switch to the Zoho tab, okay? I'm sharing my screen. So this is the self-page learning web page, right? This is what you'll be able to see, correct? So what you'll be doing, you'll be clicking go to activity, correct? So just click on go to activity. Just a minute. Just log in with my mail again. Control this manage enrollment. Okay, if you click on this go to activity again, it will show you all the modules. For me, it's not loading. Just a minute. Okay, so fine. This isn't working for me. It's fine. So if anyone can share their screen, it's fine. Please let me know. I'll just give you the access. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I see a few people were able to do the Credly batches link also. Thank you, Jay. It's correct, Jay. I'm able to see your certification also. This was good. Okay, and Akash, I see that you have shared this link. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, I got the tab. Just a minute. I got the tab which I need. Just give me a minute. Let me share the screen once again. Getting started. It is, I think. Yeah. Everyone able to see this? See the screen? Just drop the reactions. Okay. Everyone able to see? Everyone. Okay, fine. So this is about getting started with artificial intelligence, one of the self-paced learning course, correct? So what is the thing over here? So if you just scroll, here you will be seeing the completion, right? Of these three courses, I need to complete these three, right? Then only this will be filled and I'll be getting a certification, correct? So after doing that, what you people need to do is, here you are seeing this option, right? Create a Credly account. Okay, just click on that, okay? Click on that. So what it is saying, if you don't have a Credly account, complete the steps to create one now, and claim the credentials you have worked hard on. So whatever the certifications you have done in IBM, you can see all those certification at one single place. That is Credly, okay? So what you need to do, you just need to access Credly, locate and select sign in, select create account, enter the details in the required fields, use the same email address for Credly as you do for Skillbit. See, this is important again. This is important, okay? Whatever the email ID that you are using to complete the IBM self-paced courses or else any other certification, you need to use the same email account for the Credly too, okay? So just click on this Credly, it will navigate to a new tab. Okay, it is navigated to a new tab. So now all I need to do is I need to look at sign in. So we all know that sign in will be located on the top right corners, right? Just click on it. And if you haven't signed in any time, just just do sign up and sign in, okay? Okay. So I'm already having an account. So I can just click on continue. Or else if you're not having any other account, you can just click on create account and just fill in the details, okay? As I'm already having an account, I'm just proceeding, okay? After clicking on sign in, you can enter the sign in details if you're having an account. If not, just click on create an account. As I'm already having an account, I'm just clicking over here, okay? Okay, so now this is one of my recent batch which I have done, Cloud Quest Cloud Practitioner. And these are all the other batches which are available. So how many batches? Activity snapshot, 1 Credly batch, 6 skills and 3 shades. So if I just want to share this particular certification, see, this is important again, okay? This is important. Make batch private, public batch view. Just click on share. How do you want to share this? I just want to create a public link. A public link. And this is my public link. I'll just copy the link. So if I share this particular URL in the chat, even you people will be able to see my badge. Okay. This is the link. This is the link that you need to share in the Google form. Okay. Whatever the IBM course that you have completed, the certifications you will be getting right from the IBM course, that certification you will be able to see in the Credly. So all you need to do is sign in into Credly. I mean, sign up and sign in into Credly. Then you will be seeing the certification. Okay. After you see the certification, just click on share. Okay. Just click on share. And under publish, you will see public link. Click on that. A link will be generated. Just copy that. Okay. So this link should be shared in the Google form. Okay. I hope it's clear for everyone. Any other doubts, guys? Anyone, any other doubts? Okay, thank you, Bhumika. It's done already. I will be sharing that Google form link, Akash. I still haven't shared the link. I'll be sharing that link, okay? But I was just making sure that everyone is knowing about it correctly also. Clear, right, everyone? Any doubts? See, Akshay, enrolling into Credly is like it is one, like how to say, like whatever the certifications that you're doing on a mail ID, all the certifications will be visible over in the Credly, okay? Each and every certification. You don't need to log in into different websites and just generate the certification and download them. You can directly go into Credly and you can access your certifications over there. Got it? Kind of. Kind of actually. Okay. Anyone, any other doubts? So I hope Cyclone has explained you everything. So no doubts, right? Anyone? Anyone having any other doubts? So everyone is silent again. Actually, just give me a minute, okay? Still, I need to share one more thing. Just give me a minute, actually. Okay, just a moment. So in the meantime, if you're having any other doubts, you can post it in the chat. Let me just share this thing. And just a moment. Please check the chat. So this is the thing actually, guys. The thing is, if you see over here, this is a feedback form, okay? The link which I have shared is a feedback form. Actually, I got to know that no one has filled the week 2 feedback form. So I was told to share this week 2 feedback form once again. So that is the reason I'm sharing the feedback form, and I want each and every one of you to share your responses, okay? Not accepting responses. Okay. They just informed me that this will be working. Okay, I'll check with them once again. Just a minute. So in the meantime, that is for week 2, right? In the meantime, I'm having this week 3 also. Please do fill this, guys. It will be helpful for me. So please do fill this, guys. Week 3. Okay. Try to access week 3. I hope you will be able to see the week 3. I want all the 60 people to fill the week 3 feedback. Because it is very important for me and I would be able to explain the concepts to others, guys. So that is the main reason. And in the meantime, I will also share this week 2, week 3 feedback forms in the Telegram group, okay? And once everyone is done, let me know. I'll just give like 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Please do it. Yeah, actually. Okay, Python library practice questions. Like completely related to Python, you're saying, or else related to pandas and NumPy? Okay, for all the libraries that we have studied, fine. Okay, just give me a minute, actually. Let me just check if I'm currently having any right now. Okay, so right now, what I will be doing is, actually, I'll be uploading. For now, I'll be uploading the machine learning. Okay, just a minute. Just a moment. Let me just verify the content. I'm having the data related to insurance, and also there is this bank chain data. I have worked on this, so it will be better for you. Bank chain data and practice ETA in scene doing repression of notebooks. Okay, I'm uploading them in the format of a zip. Okay, just confirm me. If you're able to see the files, confirm me, guys. If you open the drive link, you'll be able to see that bank chain. Okay, bank chain data, and also one more thing is you'll be able to see the insurance data set also. Just confirm me. So these are two machine learning notebooks. Okay, in which everything is done in detail, starting from data pre-processing, EDA. Okay, heat map is included, correlation is included, and for the heat map also there is a threshold followed, and irrelevant features have been removed, or else extra correlated features have been removed. Extra in the sense highly correlated features, and then the models have been built, and from that all the models, the best model have been selected. Those notebooks will be helpful for you. Okay. Okay, Adrika, just a moment. Please just confirm me, Adrika, if you are able to access the link. Okay, thank you. So I will just check for any other notebooks if available from my side regarding NumPy and Pandas and also Matplotlib, Seaborn. Okay. If not, I'll be sharing the sources. Okay. I'll share in the Telegram group, or else I'll inform Sai Kiran to share. Okay. And one more thing, guys. So everyone is done with that feedback form, right? I'll just end the session in another 2 to 3 minutes. Don't worry. It's a project documentation, Akash. In the project doc section, you need to add your project documentation. What is your project documentation? That will be explained by Sai Kiran, and we'll also share a sample documentation for your reference. Okay. Fine. So I hope everyone is done with the link. If you're not yet done, please do it. And also please do share to your other friends who are actively in this session, okay? Who have enrolled in this session and not present today. Please do let them know. Yeah, and one more thing. I want everyone to go through the MLOps also, okay? Once you're done with this supervised, unsupervised, start with machine learning operations, okay? MLOps, learn ML flow, and then start with this deep learning concept, okay? CNN, RNN, LSTM. So I hope it's clear. Don't stop with this machine learning, but try to explore the machine learning concept. There are many concepts, okay? There's still many concepts. Along with that, try to spare some time and do learn the deep learning architecture, okay? How the artificial neural networks work. What is a perceptron? What is a multi-layer perceptrons? How CNN works. Okay? And along with that deep learning, do learn machine learning operations. Nowadays, it is very important, okay? MLOps is very important nowadays. Please do learn that, okay? Don't ignore that. There were many beautiful courses out there in the YouTube also. You can access them. Okay. I don't want to extend this more further. So this is one kind of a tip you may consider if you want to. Okay, this is it, guys. This is it from my side. And if you're having any other queries, do let me know. If not, we may end the session. Any doubts, anyone? Okay, again, everyone is on pin drop silence mode. Okay, I see someone has raised their hand. Devish, are you having any doubts? Okay, now I see the emojis. Fine. Okay, that is it from my end. If you want to know the learning path of this deep learning or else about this MLOps, do let us know through the Telegram group. Okay, we'll be updating over there. And if it is required, I'll be joining the session in the middle. Okay, clear, guys? Do we need to show training models by applying algorithms in the project, or just choose any one algorithm for training for model training? CJ, good question actually. See, applying any one algorithm and confirming that the model is working good will be a bad practice. Okay. If we are working on a regression or as a classification, it's good if we consider like 3 to 4 algorithms. Then only we can see the difference. Okay. Experiment on multiple algorithms and finally go for one main algorithm. We can't solely rely on one single algorithm. Correct. Experiment on multiple algorithms and just go for the best performing algorithm. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thanks for your time. I have just extended it for the 40 minutes. Okay. So thanks for your time. So if no one is having any other doubts, you may leave the session, guys. Please have your dinner. Have a great evening. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Jay. Yeah, okay, bye. Bye, bye. So let me just drop that emoji too. Just a moment. So where was that? Okay, I'm unable to see. Okay. So this is it from my side, guys. Yeah, yeah. Bye, bye. We are done with the session, guys. You may leave. We'll just wait for another 1 more minute. Okay. If in case if you're having any other doubt, you can let me know in the Q&A. And if you want to enable your mic, do let me know. I'll be giving you access. You can share your doubt. Okay. Fine.
Yeah, okay, guys. I'm ending the session right now. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your time.